Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Honda Fury 1300. This big bore V-twin with fuel injection and liquid cooling just arrived with only 6,145 miles. Really awesome factory chopper, Honda reliability and custom bike looks. Shaft drive, no chain to mess with. Come on by and make your Fury chopper dreams come true for just $89.99. This bike is in beautiful shape, nice and low mileage, deep blue, beautiful paint scheme. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. What a cool bike. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.